to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. So in this video I still have this platform for you called AI Quantify USD. On this platform is an investment platform using USDT, and it's a quantification platform where you can make USDT by investing some USDT. So let me take you deeper into this platform and show you how it goes. If you look down here at VIP 012, you can see that the VIP reached VIP 9. So this is how this platform works. On the VIP 1 right here, if you invest like $13, which is 13 USDT, you are going to earn 2.34 USDT. On the VIP 2, you are going to, if you invest 72 USDT, you are going to earn 13.28 USDT. That is every day. Even right now, you can earn it, and you'll be earning it for almost 180 days. For 180 days, you'll be earning it for 180 days if this platform still stay up to that date. So that is just how it goes. So right now, in case you are interested in this platform and you want to join it, this is what you are going to recharge on this platform. Recharge with your USDT. Click on recharge. So you can see there are two major recharging methods here you can use. It's either you use USDT TRC20 or BEP20. So if you are using any of it, click on it and click on copy. Go to your crypto exchange or your crypto wallet. Then the wallet address you copied here, send the USDT, the actual amount of USDT you want to start with, send it into the wallet address you copied. So after that, automatically it will upgrade your account to the level you should be in. As you can see, I deposit for level 1, which is $13, and that one will be giving me $2.34. So after you see that your levels are upgraded already, the next thing to do is to click on Quantify right here. When you click on Quantify, now click on Start Quantification. Just click on it and you will earn your first revenue. You are going to see it very soon. You are going to see it. You will earn your first revenue right here. So just refresh the page and you can see that you will earn your first revenue. So as you can see, withdrawable fund. That means I have earned my first revenue. If I come back here, you can see that is it. I have earned my first revenue of $2.34. You can see that my money is now $2.34. I can now withdraw the $2.34 you see right here. So now to make your first withdrawal, this is what you're going to do. Click on withdraw right here. So as you can see, you can also use two methods to withdraw. It's either you use the 20 USDT or USDT TRC20. So to make your withdrawal, you can select withdrawal method right here. Then go to any of your crypto wallets, and if you want to use copy your wallet address. If you are using BEP20 or USDT20, copy your wallet address and paste it there. Select the one you want to use to withdraw and paste it there. As you can see, I have already done my own. Just click on add wallet address. Just click on add wallet. Click on add to. Just click on add to. Then paste the wallet address there. Then add it up. Now I have done that. To withdraw using BEP20 USDT, the minimum you can withdraw is $2. So for TRC20, I think the minimum you can withdraw is $5. So I'd rather go with the BEP20 wallet address. So now let me make my first withdrawal and let's see. So I'm withdrawing this to my Trust wallet. So before I make this withdrawal, let me show you what I have in that cost. So this is the USDT wallet I'm withdrawing to. You can only see that I just have only this here right now. I only have 1.68 USDT here right now. So after I made that withdrawal, you are going to see it here. Let's go back and make the withdrawal. So select your address, input the amount you want to withdraw, 2.34. Enter your withdrawal payment password, then click on confirm withdrawal. So click on confirm withdrawal. You're going to see application for withdrawal successful. So let me go back and let's see. Click on details on withdrawal. Let's see the details on withdrawal. You can see minus 2.34 USDT. So now let me go back to that Trust wallet and let's see if the money has arrived there. So you can see it right here. It takes less than let me say less than 10 seconds to receive the money. You can see it right here, $2.34. That is just it. That is it, $2.34. So you can see, guys, that this platform is paying very well. So this is actually a new platform. If you are interested, just join right now and start making your money on this platform before it crashed. You can quickly make money on this. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested to register, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.